Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to see how to install Hacker Keyboard on your Android device. So now, I am going to click on my Play Store and next type Hacker Keyboard. Here you can see the Hacker Keyboard application and some of the screenshots related to it. And next clicking on install. Okay, now the Hacker's Keyboard has been installed. I am going to click on open. Here you can see the information about the Hacker's Keyboard and 4 buttons. Now I am going to click on enable keyboard. It shows that available virtual keyboard. I am going to select Hacker's Keyboard and pressing OK. The pop shows that you are going to enable the Hacker's Keyboard for all the applications. And next, here you can see the input language. You can select any languages to your keyboard. You can select any languages to your Hacker Keyboard. And next, clicking on setting up input method. Now, here you can see the another pop-up, that is change keyboard. You can select Gboard or English and English language.